PT&C is headquartered here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're a forensic consulting firm. We have about 300 professionals across the country, and we provide engineering analysis, civil structural, mechanical electrical, as well as fire and explosion and building consulting. And just recently, we had another company, LWG, join our family, PT&C family, which expanded greatly our service offerings.
Where PT&C may have excelled in fire and explosion and civil structural aspects, LWG has built a renowned company in the electrical and mechanical divisions.
The LWG PT&C merger is going to be of great value to our clients because it expands the service offerings that LWG was already providing and allows us to be a full service solution provider regardless of the needs of the client, so they can come to one source and get what they need to solve their problem.
My profession historically has been loss adjusting for over 30 years. And I believe what that does is it allows me to convey to all of our folks that come into the PT&C LWG family the importance and the sense of urgency that's attached to every single claim or matter that might be assigned to us.
In the business world, not only have we displaced an employer and employees, but they may well have started a clock running on a business interruption related application. So our people realize that there is a sense of urgency for them to be on the scene, generally within 48 hours, and provide those preliminary details to a claims professional, and basically in an effort to allow them to make an informed decision as expeditiously as is possible.
So what we do is that we help the insurance companies service their clients, and then we also help the insureds as far as getting their business back up and running again and getting them back into the business of doing whatever they do quickly.
With the inception of NFPA 921 in 1992, it has placed an increased burden on the fire investigator to, shall we say, exercise industry standards. One of the problems that most field adjusters has is the lack of opportunity to see a real fire investigation post-event.
The loss adjusting profession, as a rule, must have continuing education units to maintain their professional licensing.
But it's a chemical incendiary.
We think in some small way that we provide an opportunity for the loss adjusting community to attain those credits while also getting some real hands-on experience as to what an expert within PT&C particularly does for them in the value add.
The adjusters, I think this is not only a benefit to them, but it's a benefit to us as experts. They see the damage and the aftermath of some of these losses firsthand, and I think when you couple that with reading our reports and our work product, that it helps them understand, you know, what we're trying to say in some of these technical reports.
And what we try to do in this environment is to give them the opportunity to view this at the forefront before we set it on fire, allow them to view the interior of these burn cells after it's been extinguished, and to understand the expectations of the fire investigator in maintaining that industry standard, and then being able to communicate that to the claims professional.
They changed it from origin to cause, and the rationale behind it was, how can you find the cause before you found the origin?